Do y'all really think I could do this in 15 minutes? No. We gonna see. Hey ma'am, it is currently 9:55 and I'm going to attempt to do my makeup in 15 minutes. Let me set the timer. 15 minutes and start. This is Wet n Wild's Matte Primer. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. This is one primer I don't like to use my hands to apply because it leaves a white film on my hands and I don't like that. I don't want to get that product all over my other products. So I will apply it with a brush. That was rough. And I don't know if I'm a 15-minute makeup girly, but we're gonna find out together. We gonna figure this out. Favorite eye primer, obviously, is MAC's Prep and Prime 24-hour extended eye base. I will have everything listed for you down in the description box, as per usual. Rub that in gently, rub it into your eyeball. Not eyeball, you know what I mean. Eyelid. I'm going in with the Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation in number 330. Ooh. I'm going to use that same brush and apply this all over. Do y'all really think I could do this in 15 minutes? No. We gonna see. Will I have time to contour? Hopefully. Like, what reason would I only have 15 minutes to do my makeup? Because if I have a Zoom meeting, I would hope that I would be aware well before the 15 minutes. Like, well before 15 minutes before it started, right? Like, would it be a date with my husband? I hope he would give me more than 15 minutes. It wouldn't be a wedding. It wouldn't be a funeral. It wouldn't even be a graduation. Like, what? I don't know. Like, maybe I'm running late to an event. Like, I spent more time getting the kids ready than I thought I would. Maybe I took more time to do my hair. Maybe something happened beyond my control. And I didn't have the regular hour, 10 minutes, hour and a half, close to 2 hours to do my makeup. This is the concealer. This is a concealer by Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Activewear in number 42. We will see if this works out. Contour, I'm going in with Milani. This is Conceal Plus Perfect in Toffee and Cocoa. I'm going to use Toffee on my nose. You know, they're not about 10 minutes. This low-key feels like an Olympic sport. Does that make sense? Well, let's put some concealer on my eyelids. We'll see. I'm not gonna do my forehead. I'm just gonna do my cheeks. Will I have time to blend my forehead? Let's see. Let us see. I'm gonna go in with, ooh, this is a Sheen dupe. Let's do this. This is underneath my eye, child. I'm not about to. Another Sheen dupe. Blend that out. Got about 9 minutes. Okay. Okay. Let's blend this out. Let's do this before it dries. Seven minutes. I don't know. I definitely don't like to feel rushed when I'm doing my makeup. I don't like that feeling. I don't like it. And I feel like blending does take a little bit, it's a little delicate, I feel like you can't really rush blending. We're gonna see. I got 7 minutes. I got 7 minutes. This looks patchy a little bit, but let's see. Let's see what this is going to end up looking like, shall we? Put that down. Keep blending this out. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed foundation in 330, and I'm going to use a triangle puff. This is the Maybelline. I'm gonna use a triangle puff to set around my eye. Minutes, y'all. I ain't got no blush on. I ain't got no mascara. I don't have no lashes on yet. Lipstick. Let's see. Let's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's add some dimension to our eyes, shall we? Wet n Wild's. This is Wet n Wild's color icon in Nude Awakening. I'm gonna go in with this one. This is the same brush I used to blend up my contour. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I mean, for the girls who can do this in 10-15 minutes, I commend you. Excuse me. Let's get some blush. Maybe blush is gonna. Oh, this is the blush. Fit Me Maybelline blush in number 55. It says number 55. Oh, Berry Baie. I mean, the blush does bring it together. Okay, honey. Berry Baie. That was a bit much. That was a bit much. Like right here. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We're gonna do mascara. Mascara, because I'm not about to mess myself up with some lashes. Oh, this is by Neutrogena and it's called Healthy Lengths. I think it's like the blackest color they have. You know what? This doesn't look bad at all. If I had something to do, I think I could do it in 15 minutes. I have 2.5 minutes left. I do feel like this isn't bad at all. Not as bad as I thought it would be. Maybe instead of applying the liquid products, I would apply it, instead of applying it with a brush, I would probably just go in and apply it with a damp sponge. I'll probably do that. I have 2 minutes. I don't want to stab myself in the eye. Maybe I am a 15-minute makeup girly. Lipstick, I think what helps too is the fact that I have everything already here on my vanity instead of me going to go look for stuff. Lipstick is going to be the Crayon Cases Gumbo and Hell City. I have 52 seconds left, and I don't think I did that at all. I think in this instance, I would already be dressed. Like maybe I'm doing this in a car. Maybe not in the car while my husband is driving. I don't think that. Oh, this is dry, y'all. Oh, nah. This is dry. Dry. Nah, I can't do that. I got 15 seconds left. We're gonna go in with Juvia's Place. Barely there. Gloss. I don't know. Timer is up. Timer is up. And this is what I did in 15 minutes. This is what I did in 15 minutes. This is a glossy brown lip. I got some mascara, a little bit of definition in the eyes and the face. I don't know. I don't I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Oh. This is e.l.f. setting spray. It's the Matte Magic Mist and Set. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, but it's throwing me off a bit because it takes me an hour and a half to do my makeup at minimum. And this came out pretty cute. Why did it take me an hour and a half to do my makeup? I think it's because I be hyping myself up in between steps. I feel like, you know, you gotta encourage yourself, because when you're going through the process, something might not look like you think it will until you get to the end of the process. So I be hyping myself up along the way. And maybe that's why it takes me an hour and a half to do my makeup. But I think that I can do my makeup in 15 minutes and be satisfied, as long as I set myself up for success beforehand. Like, I can't be scrambling looking for stuff. That's not gonna work. So this is what I did in 15 minutes. I'm not mad at it. I don't love it, but I'm not mad at it. Let me know what you think in the comments, please. I don't hate it.